What is well-designed HVAC system which can significantly impact energy savings and operational excellence? Energy efficiency strategies. 1. Select chillers with higher COP coefficient of performance. 2. Design your chilled water system with optimized flow rates. 3. Component optimization. Ensure efficient heat transfer by maintaining clean evaporator tubes. Choose high-efficiency compressors and consider variable speed options. Keep condenser tubes clean and optimize water flow. Properly size and maintain expansion valves. 4. Use VFDs for fan motors to optimize energy consumption. 5. Efficient coil design reduces energy usage. Please connect Mr. S.Nja for detailed energy audit at saninavalja@ecoverx.com.